Welcome back to another exciting episode of Trash Can Garage. Allow me to dust off the cobwebs. It's been about 10 months since I made a proper video. Not that this is a proper video. This is more like a update, a wrap up. Call it what you will. Say hello, Oscar. Hello, Oscar. So, as promised, I can't show you because I had camera problems. But we got our hubs installed. Yeah. Got our hubs and our drums installed. New inner wheel bearings and outer wheel bearings and new seals. Everything's all torqued up and ready to go. The only thing left is to adjust the brake shoes, which I'll do next. There's the passenger side. This is the drum and hub that came on the car. And this hub and drum were separated and were in the trunk with all the other parts I got with the car. And I salvaged them, cleaned everything up, installed new studs, new right-hand studs. This had left and right hand. And the back had already been switched. So I did the fronts. So now I got proper right-hand threads all the way around. And the reason why we had to swap out the driver's side front can be seen here. And this was on the car, and it doesn't even match the other side. So I'm not sure where this came from. But if you look closely here, if somebody could tell me how the hell they did this, I'd be happy to know. I've got some words, but I can't use them here. I guess they used an air chisel trying to get the race out. That's just a holy mess. So that's why this had to be replaced. And it took longer than I expected. So I meant to do a little better detailed video as I thrashed around with the wheel bearings and the seals and parts that weren't what they were supposed to be. But we got her done. And for the record, the grease I used is Lucas Red and Tacky, good for about 530 degrees, 525 degrees. So, ready to go. Like I said, I've got some brake shoe adjustments to do. And we'll be able to put the wheels back on, but we're ready to go. There's no slop, no play. Everything is nice and tight the way it should be, just like new. So this side here's a little looser. So at least you know I'm still alive. The situation at home hasn't changed, hasn't improved, of course. And with that, I will wrap this up. It is Saturday evening, August 30th, 9:45 at night, because sunlight is for plants. I like to work at night, a lot cooler and a lot more peaceful. So we'll do the adjustment in the next video and get everything wrapped up and call it done. This is David with Trash Can Garage. I thank you guys for sticking around and coming back. I appreciate all the comments and all the likes that you leave. And we'll see you on the next one. And hopefully it won't be 10 more months. This is David with Trash Can Garage signing off. Hope you have a good holiday weekend. See you on the next one.